Okay, hi guys. We are live with Love Professors Karan and Anusha.
That's us. Karan, Anusha, in case you were wondering.
Okay, don't forget, before we start anything, don't forget to tune in to MTV Love School Season 2 on the 5th of November, which is Saturday, this Saturday at 7 p.m. only on MTV, of course. If you thought it was on any other channel, then I don't know how to help you.
So Anusha and Karan are here to answer your questions, your love problems that you face. Start shooting in your questions, guys.
Okay, so we've got these chips and they want us to pick it up. We haven't seen them. I tried to cheat and she was like, no! The girl behind the camera.
You want us to show your face? Your pretty face, come on.
Show?
Do it.
She's real. She's very... Oh.
Oh.
She gave the side eye and all.
Yeah,
Oh
so
my
in case
God.
you're wondering, and in case you're interested, you have to come to Viacom office. She's on the MTV floor. She's not single, but neither was she.
Ready to mingle though.
Okay, Ayushi has a question. What's love actually?
Pink.
Well, Love actually is a film. Love actually is basically an experience. You have to have a lot of experience before you figure out what love is. So till when you actually face love, you'll know it's love. So wait for it.
Yeah, wait for that magical moment. Look, I want to read this because it's in Hindi. I spoke a lot of Hindi on the show. मैं बहुत कोशिश किया अपने सौतन के साथ बैठे हुए पहली औरत को देख रहा हूँ.
Wow, that was one of the promos, right? अपनी सौतन के साथ बैठे हुए पहली बार
औरत को देख रहा हूँ.
Well, this was actually a very peculiar case. यही सब हो रहा था एक्चुअली प्रोमोज में. ऐसे अजीब लोग आ रहे थे और काफ़ी ड्रेनिंग था ऑडिशन. एंड यू नो एक्चुअली में क्या हुआ था, ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू गो एंड वॉच इट ऑन आवर ऑन MTV on the 5th. बट इट वाज एक्चुअली अ वेरी फनी इंसिडेंट जिसमें से ये डायलॉग आया था. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं वो इंसिडेंट भूल चुका हूँ.
मैं भी.
Do you want to remind us the pretty girl at the back?
So there was this couple who came in with another girl. There's this guy who came in with another girl, and his girlfriend at home messaged him saying, "तू अपने सौतन को love school में
Oh
लेके जा रहा
yeah,
है?"
this was of course I was confusing it with yeah correct. So एक लड़का आया था और अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ आया था. बहुत बड़े वाला जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि वो तिया था. अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को बेवकूफ़ बना रहा था और साथ साथ अपनी जो है उसकी साइड वाली जो टाइम पास गर्लफ्रेंड है उसको भी मैसेज कर रहा था कि मैं जा रहा हूँ लव स्कूल अपनी इस वाली गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ. और उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड उसको मैसेज करके बोल रही है अपनी जा हैव फन विद योर गर्लफ्रेंड. और अपना लड़का रिप्लाई कर रहा है अपनी उस अलग दूसरी वाली गर्लफ्रेंड को कि यार पहली बार एक ऐसी लड़की को देख रहा हूँ जो अपने सौतन के साथ भेज रही है और फिर भी बड़ा खुश है. मतलब डिग्निटी नाम की तो कोई चीज़ ही नहीं ना आज के लोगों के अंदर. ऐसे वाहियात घटिया लोग आए थे हमारे पास ऑडिशन देने लव स्कूल का. हमारे कान के नीचे भेजो वापस इनको बदतमीज लोग.
I forgot.
Does long distance relationship work?
No.
It depends on what you are यार. I don't think it works with me because मुझे इसको हक करने के बिना नींद नहीं आती तो मैं तो पागल हो जाऊंगा.
Popsy.
ये क्या कर रही है, इसको सांस नहीं आती मेरे बिना. ये वाला पॉप्सी
What
कप
you want you? नहीं, थोड़ा सा सांस भी होता है.
हाँ ये थोड़ी है.
ये
रह लेगी मेरे बिना.
No. I think long distance. What happens is then you're having a relationship over the phone, and when you're messaging each other, there's no tone of voice, so you start misinterpreting each other. Then you.
Oh, that happened to us. Man.
Yeah.
एक तो वैसे ही इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं मेरे को समझ नहीं आती.
और क्या हिंदी में बोलते हैं और पंजाबी में मुझे समझ नहीं आते. So I think, and then on top of that, you only have FaceTime. You don't have physical contact. And
No sex.
it starts getting longer and longer, and you get frustrated. You start fighting irrationally over stupid things. So I don't think long distance is healthy. But if you're in a very good space, you could try it, but then it might start affecting you. So try to avoid.
Sumit Sinha, you both are awesome together. God bless you both.
A guy slept with prostitutes in Thailand even after being in a 10-year relationship. A guy slept with prostitutes in Thailand even after being in a 10-year relationship.
They're just giving Thailand a bad name.
Yeah, let's not say Thai. Okay, but anyway, so yeah.
Anusha just had a blonde moment, but it's okay. You did the same thing in the एक बहुत ही वाहियात किस्म का लड़का था जो कि 14 साल का था जब 11 साल की गर्लफ्रेंड को उसने प्रपोज किया था. और वाज इट 14 and 18? आई थिंक लड़की 14 साल की थी और लड़का 18 या 17 साल का था. तो उसने प्रपोज किया था लड़की को. एंड बड़ी क्यूट सी नाइव सी बेचारी, बड़ी अच्छी सी लड़की, अच्छे घर की लड़की. एंड यू नो actually she's grown up. Her formative years have been with that boy. And
she's in love with him.
Love मतलब कि आंखें बंद करके वाला love. And this guy on the other hand is in Thailand somewhere. How I found this out was बड़े smart होते हैं लड़के वगैरह, आते हैं हमारे auditions पे तो WhatsApp अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के ये सब डिलीट करके आते हैं. लेकिन उन्हें ये नहीं मालूम कि हम भी उनके बाप हैं. तो हम फेसबुक मैसेंजर के अंदर घुस गए और पीछे जाते रहे थैंक्स टू वन ऑफ माय प्रोड्यूसर्स. एंड हम लोगों ने कुछ महीने पहले जब वो थाईलैंड गया था तो उसकी और उस एक प्रोस्टिट्यूट की आपस में जो बातें हो रही थी वो हमने निकाल के उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड को दिखा दी कि भाई तुम्हारा जो बॉयफ्रेंड है 10 साल का, 10 साल से तुम जिस लड़के के साथ हो वो थाईलैंड में जाके प्रोस्टिट्यूट ढूंढ रहे हैं, उनसे डील कर रहा है. और एंड The weirdest part, मतलब लानत वाली बात पता क्या आती है कि prostitute उसको बोल रही है कि शर्म कर ले यार. I mean imagine.
And also I just have to say the amount she has cried. We feel really bad for her. She cried to the point where she couldn't even open her eyes, and apparently she cried all night. And I'm so sorry about that.
ये तो एक ऐसा केस था जिसमें कि अनुषा lost it.
Oh God, I don't even want to read that one anymore.
आप जब ये एपिसोड देखोगे आप रियलाइज, आई डोंट नो ये 5th वाला एपिसोड है या उसके नेक्स्ट वीक वाला एपिसोड है, ये मुझे याद नहीं है. लेकिन ये केस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ अनुषा लूजिंग इट. लाइक वो थोड़ी सी
basically it was a mixed cultural couple.
It was a Hindu-Muslim couple where the girl agrees to marry him even if he's married to someone else. लड़का है, लड़के ने पहले ही बोल दिया कि भाई मैं मुस्लिम हूँ, तुम हिंदू हो, मैं तुमसे शादी नहीं कर सकता हूँ. पहले ही बोल दिया. बट ये चल रहा है 4 साल से. एंड लड़की भी बेवकूफ़ है, वो कह रही है कि लड़का कितना अच्छा है, पहले ही बोल रहा है. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे लड़के को ये समझ आना चाहिए कि यार मैंने बोल दिया, इसका तो ये नहीं कि मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खत्म हो गई है. 4 साल से तुम लड़की घुमा रहे हो, उसका भी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है ना. शी इज गेटिंग अटैच्ड टू यू. या तो इतना अटैच नहीं होना देना चाहिए था. ये तो पहला मुद्दा था. दूसरा मुद्दा ये था कि वो लड़की कहती है कि यार मुझे पता है मैं इससे शादी नहीं करेगा, मेरे से मुझे पता है किसी और से शादी करेगा, किसी और के बच्चे करेगा, कल इसके पेरेंट्स या इसकी वाइफ जो आने वाली है वो मना करेगी, लेकिन मैं फिर भी इसके साथ रहूंगी.
So basically she was okay to be his mistress. And you expect me to sit there and be okay listening to a girl say that in 2016? I went crazy.
ये शायद हम इसको सही तरह से बयान नहीं कर पा रहे, बट आप जब देखोगे
I should read this one.
Nidhi is asking, do you guys fight? What is the best way to make up for each other?
Just hug it out. We hug it out.
we don't, the hugging is the beginning.
Actually we don't.
Make out is the best thing.
Hey, when we fight, we don't fight like really big, and then if we do, we just make up pretty quickly, right? Oh, what's this one? I didn't tell them no. How do we make up? We do it pretty.
यार एक्चुअली मेरी और अनुषा की कभी भी लड़ाई नहीं होती है, हमारी डिसएग्रीमेंट होती है. ऑब्वियसली होनी भी चाहिए क्योंकि आप दो इंडिविजुअल्स हो और आपका होता है ओपिनियन. तो अगर अलग अलग ओपिनियन है इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग, लेकिन किसी का ओपिनियन गलत नहीं होता. तो थोड़ी देर बाद वो सब सेटल हो जाता है और एंड में लड़के की ही गलती होती है और लड़का सॉरी बोल देता है, कहानी खत्म.
Well, please. They never say sorry, let's face it. But you know what the best way to make up is? Just
hug
go and hug each other. Because that
लड़कियों के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा वो है कि देखो क्योंकि लड़के होते हैं गधे. मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ उन्हें कुछ नहीं अकल होती और मैं कोशिश कर रहा होता हूँ कि मैं इस लड़की को हेट करूँ, होता नहीं है. तो ये आती है पूरा लड़वा के मेरी मतलब बैंड बजाने के बाद आती है और मैं होता हूँ.
Kritika Agarwal, who's the first one to approach after fights?
Oh, me! Always! I always say sorry, even if it's his fault. Don't laugh. He can't say sorry. He can't do any of it. And then he's teaching everybody how to say sorry.
But I say apologize later. मैं गलती तो समझ जाता हूँ.
बाद में.
So the instances in the chits, what are those? Couples you met at auditions
Yeah.
shoot?
That's what I'm saying. These instances instances. These are the couples. A girl.
I'll read. Look how shy he's getting. These are the instances that happened in the auditions. Noise mat kar. These are the auditions. Stop!
कुछ नहीं होता तो मैं अपना मुंह छुपा रहा था यार.
These are the instances that happened in the audition, like this one. A girl was attracted to another boy on the sets of Love School. Who is that, Karan?
मैं थोड़ी था.
Oh, it was cute. There was a girl that had a huge crush on Karan. Yeah. Oh, why did I throw that? You should have kept that one. It makes him really shy. But I thought that was cute. Obviously, Karan, even if I was on the sets of Love School, I would have a crush on you if I was one of the couple.
I had a crush on you, but so I had a crush on her for a very long time, and then I met her at the airport, and I got up to say hi to her. She didn't see me, and मैं ऐसे लस्सी होगी मेरी और मैं बैठ गया. And then she came back and she hit me on my arm यहाँ पे.
नहीं यहाँ पे.
No, it was this
Oh,
one.
this one. Oh, you remember?
Maybe I'm the one who remembers everything. ये यार कैसी लड़की है यार, इसको कुछ नहीं याद होता. ये कल बोली थी हमारा कुत्ता 1.5 साल का है. हमारा कुत्ता 1 साल और 1 महीने की समथिंग का है. इसको कुछ नहीं पता होता.
आकाश फर्नांडिस. What about एक तरफा प्यार?
What? What about?
एक तरफा प्यार. One sided
ऐ
love.
दिल मुश्किल देख ली भाई तूने आकाश फर्नांडिस. उसमें पूरी डेफिनेशन दी है शाहरुख खान ने एक तरफा प्यार की. बट क्या
ए दिल
definition दी?
मुश्किल.
When शाहरुख खान comes and says कि एक तरफा प्यार का हक जो है वो तो सिर्फ आपके हाथ में है. जिससे मोहब्बत होती है उसके ऊपर भी कोई हक नहीं है. इसका हक तो सिर्फ आप पे. बहुत हिम्मत चाहिए भाई एक तरफा प्यार करने के लिए.
That is true. I would rather watch porn. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Good for you.
No, I just remember
Yeah.
कि किसके लिए था my favorite.
I would rather watch porn than get intimate with my boyfriend.
भाई जब ये लड़की ऐसा कुछ बोलती है ना कि मतलब मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड से ज्यादा अच्छा है कि मैं पॉर्न देख लूं तो लानत है ऐसे लड़कों पर.
ओए, तू मराठी मुलगी आणि
अरे ये तो डिफाइन को तुम क्या सिर्फ पर्चियां पढ़ने आई हो.
Oh,
बताओ क्या हो रहा था ये तुम
Oh,
बताओ.
sorry.
एक
Well, I
लड़की
just
ऐसा
have
क्यों बोलती
a
है?
lot of respect for that girl because for the first time in our lives, we've seen a girl come on national television. First, admit that she's watching porn, which is nothing. It's not my thing, but there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, if you want to.
दिखा के यार तू porn.
Anything good? So basically, I think there's nothing wrong with it, but also the fact that she stood up, said it, and said that I would rather watch that than be intimate with my boyfriend because she's getting no satisfaction from him. So,
But guys, this couple was one of the most hilarious couples because जो लड़का था. I mean आप खुद imagine कर लो जिसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ये बोल रही कि यार इसके साथ इंटीमेट होने से अच्छा तो मैं पॉर्न देख लूं. तो आप सोचो उस लड़के का क्या हाल होगा. उस लड़के के लिए प्लीज वॉच आवर शो बिकॉज यू विल लव हिम. बिकॉज मैं रोज कोशिश करता था किसी तरह मेरे को मौका मिल जाए इसको थप्पड़ मारने का. लेकिन मैं मार नहीं पाया. By the end of it, he was my favorite, so you gotta watch it.
Yeah.
Gotta watch this.
And she was a very strong, inspiring girl because she would just say what her intimacy issues are. She would talk about sex so openly, and I really salute her for that. An Indian girl saying that on national television. Good for you.
Thank you.
I don't know if these guys have written it
तू
right.
मराठी मुलगी आणि होशना लाना तुला करात नाही. Don't be as हुशार as. Don't try to be होशियार in front of me.
तू मराठी मुलगी.
आणि होशियार.
You're so
I think-
smart, but तुझे
I
समझ
know I said it, but you guys have not written it right. So let's just not read what you guys have written.
Why have you written?
I basically said, तू मराठी मुलगी आहेस आणि तू इतकी हुशार नाही होऊ शकत. I mean, like, basically, I was shocked that she was behaving so.
Who was this? Remind me.
I can't remember that girl, and I screamed at her in Marathi.
She screamed at a lot of girls, by the way, and she hit a lot of boys, including me.
I did not. I never hit anybody.
5 तारीख को पता चल जाएगा सब आप लोगों
हाँ,
को. ये सब जो
I-
बोली ना
नहीं
एडिटिंग
हुआ तो-
वीडियो ये
नहीं
जो
हुआ
डिंपल
तो-
विंपल दिखा के सबको दिखा के वहां पे असली पता है जो डंडे लेके इसने मारा ना लोगों को.
नहीं मैंने नहीं किया. झूठ मत बोल. No, basically she was a Marathi girl and so educated, so beautiful, well brought up, and she was just behaving so silly in love. and I lost it at her, and you have to watch it. I also speak in Marathi at that point because then I found out she's Maharashtrian. It irritated me more because as a Marathi
तुम्हें लगा था
girl.
कि रियलिटी शो पे सब पंजाबी आते हैं? ये लो, we have a Marathi competition now.
Woo!
Ayushi Shrivastava. Come on, guys, let's have a romantic song from him. They are so cute. From Karan.
Come on, you sing so well.
I don't know what to sing. I don't know the lyrics.
It's okay.
It's थोड़ी देर बाद.
No, just sing it now. You sing it so well.
What's the first line?
Na 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 na. Just sing it from anywhere.
अब मैं अपने लिरिक्स ढूंढता हूं, तब तक आप कंटिन्यू करो. ये लाइन बड़ी अच्छी है. मैं गाऊंगा आज मैं ऐ दिल मुश्किल गाऊंगा. माँ कसम मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छी लगी. फिर पता नहीं क्यों अच्छी लगी. I loved ऐ दिल मुश्किल.
I'll read this one.
Yeah.
Oh God, it's in Hindi again. Excuse it. Excuse my Hindi. उसके वर्जिन रहने के चॉइस के कारण मैं फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता हूँ.
Very good case, but can't tell you what happened later. लेकिन initially जो हमें लगा था, लड़की की चॉइस है यार. लड़की wants to stay virgin, that's not a problem. उसकी चॉइस है. लेकिन लड़की ये क्यों भूल जाती है कि भाई तेरा चॉइस तो है कि तू वर्जिन रहना चाहती है, but then at least अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के बारे में तो सोच.
But let me tell you something.
Don't keep poking him ना कि क्योंकि मैं वर्जिन हूँ इसलिए वर्जिन रहने का फैसला मेरा है, लड़की का. अब इनसिक्योरिटी भी मैं ही लेके आऊंगी कि क्योंकि मैं वर्जिन रहना चाहती हूँ तो ये पक्का कहीं मुंह मार रहा होगा. अरे सांस तो लेने दो.
But can I tell you, viewers that are going to tune into Love School, is she really a virgin? You can only find that out by watching MTV Love School.
I don't know if you were supposed to tell that, but
I said, is she really a virgin? I didn't tell them
अच्छा promo
anything.
दिया तुमने अनुषा.
Exactly, and so why did you screw
क्या
it?
अच्छा promo दे डाला. Sorry guys, ये information देनी नहीं थी, but अब जो कोई भी ये लोग आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, लोगों को पता.
Well, I didn't tell them anything though. That was
क्यों
your
बोलो
problem.
कि we just created something for us. ये डेवलप उनको वो मिल गया ना, स्पूफ मिल गया. वो क्या बोलते हैं?
Anyway,
Teaser.
find out because now I've confused
Sneak
us
peek.
and you guys.
अरे लल्लू उन लोगों को कुछ ऐसा मिल गया जो नॉर्मल प्रोमोस में नहीं मिलता.
I know.
Inside
I know.
आगे चल, आगे चल.
That's exactly why I said, do you even know if she's really a virgin or not? Then you're like, oh, you're not supposed to tell them that. But I didn't tell them anything because I don't actually know myself.
आगे चल.
Khushi Podar, what's the show actually about?
Love.
तू
Relation-
सफर मेरा है, तू ही मेरी मंजिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा ऐ दिल है मुश्किल. आगे पढ़ा.
Rima says amazing.
And more.
Rima, where are you? I want to see you right now.
More.
तू मेरा खुदा, तू ही दुआ में शामिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा ऐ दिल है मुश्किल मुझे. आगे भी गा सकते हैं.
Yeah.
राइट्स है, मेरे पास राइट्स है. आज़मा नहीं, आगे नहीं आता मेरे को. जुनू कभी कभी लिप्स पे भी दे दिया कर. ये लाइव टीवी पे कभी किस नहीं देती मेरे को.
Digital everything is allowed.
Liar. I kiss him all the time.
Yeah, basically she's just scared of her daddy. When daddy knows.
A guy walked in with his girlfriend but got attracted to another guy. Oh, right.
बेसिकली मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ कि हुआ क्या है. लड़का आया और वो बेसिक आया तो गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ था, लेकिन अट्रैक्ट हो गया किसी और लड़के के ऊपर. फिदा.
This is when the birds are happy. This is when the birds are chirping. The birds are chirping.
Well, आप समझ गए होंगे तो प्लीज वॉच लव स्कूल फ्रॉम 5th of November to find out ये कौन सा लड़का था.
Ooh, Desi men versus Russian men. The Russian men. Imitation. Oh, I did it. I did it.
I did it. और अच्छा लड़के की इमिटेशन. मैं बता करण सर देखो
No,
होता
I
क्या है.
don't like it. You communicate.
हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ ना, मैं बात करने की कोशिश कर. मैं होता क्या है
Crush.
कि भाई तू क्या बोलना चाहता है. क्या बोलना चाहता है तू? पूरे सीजन में कुछ बोल नहीं पाया भाई, वो मुझे नहीं समझ आया क्या बोल रहा है, लेकिन उसकी और उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड की मैजिकल वो थी ना लैंग्वेज, पता नहीं कौन सी भाषा में बोलते थे, क्या बोलते थे, समझ आ जाता था। और मतलब टास्क में तो उन्होंने जो फाड़ी है, guys have to watch it.
I just have to say one line for this. You will realize watching Love School that love needs no language. Nothing.
देखो, इसे बोलते हैं पुण्य का काम। हम दोनों को हमारी बाई ने मिलाया।
Yeah.
देखो, हमें इतना तो हम जानते थे कि बाई लोग बहुत यू नो दे वेरी, मतलब मेरी तो लाइफ अगर मेरी बाई ना हो, मेरी तो घर मेरा बर्बाद हो जाए। लेकिन अब ये बाई लोगों ने क्यूपिड वाला काम शुरू कर दिया, मैच मेकिंग वाला काम शुरू कर दिया, ये नहीं पता था। एक कपल को उनकी बाई ने मिलाया, कैन यू इमेजिन?
It's amazing.
या
Amazing.
और मेरी बाई तो मुझे कुछ नहीं कराती, बस ये बताती है भैया आपकी बाइक नीचे गल रही है सर, इसको ठीक कर देना बस। इसी लड़की के बारे में बताया उसने कि मेरी बिल्डिंग में, आपकी बिल्डिंग में ये सिंगल है, ये सुंदर है, ये नहीं आई है।
And I'm always trying to set up mine with somebody. So you know.
Saloni saying, do you guys believe in love at first sight?
I think attraction at first sight.
Yeah, attraction.
Attraction.
See, if there's no, attraction is a part of love. So if you're not attracted to somebody, then
Doomed.
yeah, then there's no love, because you have to be attracted to somebody, right? So
Attracted to you.
हाँ, so love at first sight, I think वो अच्छा है, I wanted this. Love at first
My
sight
lip gloss.
tastes good. Love.
No one is jealous. Tanya Singh.
So love at first sight.
Tanya, you can have him.
ओ यार मैं love at first sight 4 बार बोल चुका हूँ। मैं भूल गया। Next.
No, say.
Love at first sight.
हाँ, attraction होती है, that's very important, because attraction leads to a lot of other things, and then if everything is right, if you have compatibility, if you have no trust issues, if you guys are honest, and if you guys are doing the same thing, or probably the most perfectly fitting opposite things, that leads to
Okay.
love.
I'm sure you saw the promo of Karan doing this to a guy.
No, I don't think that's been put on air.
No, I think they cut it out. Oh shit. Okay, so well, Karan pulled somebody's hair for a reason. Girl being dragged out of the car by her hair. Karan just wanted to make sure the guy knew how that felt. Scared the shit out of me, but very well done.
यार कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो जब तक किसी को करके नहीं दिखाओ ना तो वो समझते नहीं है। तो बेसिकली लड़की बोल रही है, सर क्यों अच्छा खासा मूड मेरा खराब किया। तो एक लड़की आके बोल रही कि यू नो ही पुल्स मी बाय माय हेयर, एंड रिएक्शन मेरा और अनुषा का लाइक व्हाट,
Like what?
इसे भैया वो करते हैं ना मजाक में ऐसे कर दिया। मैं समझा नहीं, मैंने लड़की को पूछा भाई इसको करके दिखा कैसे होता है ताकि उसको समझ आए,
वो नहीं
रियलाइज
कर रही थी.
वो नहीं कर रही थी। देन आई हैड टू गो एंड शो किसी लड़की के बाल।
And I hope लड़की लोग को भी पता चलेगा like this is not the way that you should be treated or accept.
Simran Sharma, how was it working with each other for the first time?
What was man? मेरे साथ जो खराब हो गया ये MTV वाले
Hey, overactor.
थोड़ा ओवर हो गया।
Yeah.
I think मैंने basically जब मेरे पास ये पहले आए थे these guys when they came to me and said that do you want to do a show like love school and there will be so basically my problem in life is कि अनुषा बहुत बड़ी हिप्पी है, ठीक है, वो एकदम जल्दी मुझे घूम रही थी सारा टाइम, और जब ये शूट वूट पे जाती ना टोटा, मतलब मैंने ऐसी एक लड़की नहीं देखी इतनी हॉट बन के घूम रही है। तो मेरे सामने ऐसे वो बात आई, मैं कहा यार हम लोग जब शूट करते हैं तो एक महीना बाहर जाना पड़ता है और फिर 3 बार कभी एक दिन में कपड़े चेंज करने पड़ते हैं, मतलब 3 बार मुझे मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड टोटा बन के दिखेगी एक दिन में। ये तो भगवान ने मतलब मेरी सुन ली। मैं जो मर्जी शो मैं उन्हें साइन कर रहा है, नो प्रॉब्लम, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए मुझे 1 महीने के लिए मेरे पास, और दिन में 3 बार ऐसे सुपर हॉट बन के घूमेगी। और लव स्कूल में तो मैं लव कर रहा था।
अरे कैसा लगा is the question.
बता, समझ गए होंगे, वो बच्चे नहीं हैं।
I think it was really fun. I learned a lot from Karan because he's used to doing reality shows. I'm not. I'm used to doing fashion, so yeah, this was a reality check for me. And I think if Karan wasn't there, I don't think I would have survived a day. He held my hand throughout.
Also, see what happens is when you have a girlfriend or when you have a boyfriend, you meet them. You go out for drives. You meet them at a restaurant or clubbing, or you go out, but you never work with them, so you don't know how professional they are. When I say professional, I'm not saying that if they come on time or not. When they're working, what are they like? How are they like to their crew? How are they like to other people when they're working? What is it like when they're angry? What is it like when they're frustrated? What is it like when they're tired? It was a beautiful experience for me, and I think that got us closer because we thought that after a month and a half of staying together 24 hours, we'd be sick of each other.
We'd want to kill each other.
We want to kill each other, but we're not sick of each other. We still.
I don't want to kill you.
That was a joke. I want to kill her, and still I want to be with her.
I don't want to kill him also.
She wants to kill him. Trust me.
Ruby, Rashmi, how did you tolerate so many immature couples out there?
Oh my God, God only knows. Honestly, God only knows. I don't know how I tolerated any of it.
But I think
it
our
was
show
beautiful.
was for them and for all the other immature couples out there who don't even know what relationship is. Like I said, you see a lot of couples around you, relationship goals, couple goals, and then girls want their boyfriends to be like that, and the boyfriends want their girlfriends to be like that, and then they find somebody, and then quickly they want to do all of that, like tattoo करा लेंगे कि भाई ये मेरी है और ये मेरा है ऐसे एक हफ्ते के अंदर. So that is immature, and my girlfriend is very mature. Right now, she is very mature.
Srota Bhaumik, does age matter in a relationship?
I don't think so. Well,
I mean, unless you're like 16 and he's like 45, maybe.
You had somebody when you were 16 and he was 45.
What shit?
I for love, I don't think age matters. Yes, what she said, like you can't be 16 and 45. That's wrong. It's probably not wrong, but it doesn't make sense.
Maybe illegal. I think it's illegal.
Not in India. India, we have 67-year-olds getting married to 12-year-olds.
Oh, it should be illegal.
It probably should. But yes, it's all about understanding. It's about compatibility. Girls mature much faster than boys. So a lot of girls don't understand young boys. And boys are going to be gadas all their life. So I don't think age matters.
I think what does matter is child marriages. You assholes that are making your children get married at such a young age, stop it. It's disgusting.
Also a very different show.
Yeah, very different show, but I'm just saying, if age matters, it's child marriages matter.
Yes, child marriage matters, age doesn't.
Ayushi, which was the funniest audition?
Oh, a lot of them were funny auditions. I think
Did we really laugh out loud? I can't even remember.
when that Sardarji came with that girl.
Oh yeah.
There was a really funny Sardarji.
They were so
Unfortunately,
funny. We don't remember their names.
they were
But
very funny.
they were hilarious. Oh my god. One Sardarji and his girlfriend.
Very
What was
funny.
so funny about them?
I don't know. You have
I
to
think
watch
everything
that.
they
you have
said.
To, you have to be on every Saturday. You have to sit and watch Love School for that.
Yeah.
शाने
7
हमसे
PM.
पूछ लो यार खर्चा क्या कहते हैं सस्ते में सारा शो देखना चाहते हो तुम बता दो तुम्हें देखो.
No, but really, like they made us laugh. It was a night. We remember it because it was such a relief. क्योंकि हमेशा हम रोते थे.
There were more funny ones as well.
Yeah, there
but
was.
the Sardarji couple was really
No, I
funny.
remember them coming in as a breath of fresh air because there were fights, there was drama, there was crying, and then suddenly they came and I was laughing and I was like, thank God something is funny.
There was also this one guy, we can't name him, who was later on the show as well, जिसको commitment issue था. तो हमने एक नकली एक्चुअली कुछ किया था which आगे मैं नहीं बता सकता. Otherwise आप लोग वो हो जाओगे. So we fooled him into thinking that he's getting married on the show. As if he gets on the show, the winning prize is getting married. पड़ गई थी उसकी. That was good, fun.
Simran Sharma, did you get to learn anything from the couples?
So much. I think when Karan and I would give advice, we would take something away from giving advice because as a third person, it's so great and easy to give a couple advice. And a boyfriend and girlfriend never really listens to each other when they're giving advice. So when we were giving advice, they would really take it then suddenly we would take it too. We would go back and discuss like, oh my god.
So many lines.
Yeah,
So many
and
lines.
communication was one of
Even
the
while
biggest
looking
things. Yeah.
even while breaking people down on the show, जब बाद में हम लोग exercises करते हैं उनके साथ trust पे या फिर honesty पे, for example lie detector test जब होता है तो कितना कुछ निकलता है.
But you know what was really good, and this was like such a cute thing for me as a couple, is that when we were giving advice and we knew that that was kind of a reflection for us as well, we would look at each other.
Yeah.
Like we would have that secret code that, oh my god, we should be doing that too, instead of just giving advice, we should practice it.
इसलिए मैं सबको भाई बना लेती हूँ. My sweetheart on the show.
Oh god.
और बड़ी प्यारी लड़की है, बहुत ही सिंपल सी उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है.
Oh god, I got it wrong. Sorry, do you know who I thought it was?
हाँ? No.
No, I know. No, sorry, I made the wrong face. Oh, she's really cute.
बहुत क्यूट लड़की, बहुत ही प्यारी बच्ची. कुछ नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में, कुछ लेकिन ऑब्वियसली हमारी सोसाइटी ऐसी है कि हर एक इंसान को गलत समझना तो मतलब हमारा बर्थ राइट है, और क्योंकि मेंटालिटी गंदी है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो गंदगी निकलेगी. तो अगर एक लड़की किसी भी रीज़न की वजह से अपना घर छोड़ के अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ बनाना चाहती है, अपने ड्रीम्स को परस्यू करना चाहती है, तो कुछ लड़के ऐसे होते हैं जो वल्चर्स की तरह पीछे पड़ जाते हैं. तो बेसिकली ये कहानी है एक ऐसी ही लड़की की, एंड it's a sad
Actually,
story.
it's a very safe way to have boys as friends. As sad as it is, make them your brothers, so then at least they have that much respect to protect you instead of hitting on you.
Yeah, but then वो भी है यार, उसने खुद बताया था कि उसी का भाई उसको बेच आया था एक दिन, remember? So it was a pathetic story, but a good one. लेकिन उस लड़की की जब आप जर्नी फॉलो करोगे हमारे शो पे हमारे साथ, आप देखोगे कि वो कहाँ से कहाँ आई, और जिस लड़के के साथ वो आई थी, you will fall in love with that couple. You will fall in love with that couple. Yeah.
So true. Cute.
So Rajana sister, what advice would you give all the couples in love?
Okay.
Congratulations A, आप प्यार में हैं, और B, अगर आपके प्यार में प्रॉब्लम्स है तो अगले सीजन में ऑडिशन देने आ रहे हैं.
No, I would just say that if you really truly are in love, then don't try and change your partner. Unless there's obviously some psycho, really bad issue.
Then leave your partner.
No, just get help. Like if he's got a serious anger issue or a serious past issue.
If he has an anger issue, get him to me.
Or if she has some trauma or some
Understand
anger
her,
issue.
understand.
Yeah, you have to understand each other and get help.
और
for it.
लड़कों को मैं यही सजेस्ट करूंगा कि यार ये दुनिया ना किसी को खुश नहीं देखना चाहती, किसी को भी खुश नहीं देख सकती.
No, that's not true.
नो दैट्स करेक्ट. ये जो दुनिया है ना आपके आसपास, लड़कों को मैं स्पेशली बोल रहा हूँ, उनकी जलती है जब आप खुश होते हो किसी लड़की के साथ, तो वो बकवास करेंगे ही करेंगे आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में. और हर जगह तो हम लाइट डिटेक्टर टेस्ट लगा नहीं सकते कि जाओ चेक कर लो. तो सबकी बकवास सुनने से पहले ही सोचो कि वो बकवास क्यों कर रहे हैं. किसी को जरूरत नहीं है किसी की खुशी में हाँ वो किसी खुशी को खराब करना. बट इफ दे डूइंग इट देन दे आर प्रॉब्ली जेलस ऑफ यू, एंड जस्ट डोंट be stupid enough to listen to everything that the world has to say. अपना दिमाग भी इस्तेमाल करो, भगवान ने दिया है.
Yeah, and just don't try to change each other. If you guys are just normal and living your lives, he has some things that may irritate you. You do things that may irritate him. It's okay. You know that's who you fell in love with. At the beginning, it never irritated you. So why let it irritate you later? So I say, yeah, don't try and change each other.
Amol, excited to watch you both on screen.
Thank you.
एक वीडियो बना के
Very
भेज.
excited.
अमोल एक वीडियो बना के भेज. Excited now.
We're
Karan, any embarrassing moment that happened on the show?
Yes. I am a very shy person. I get very embarrassed of a lot of things.
तू shy है. हमेशा किस करो. Shy है तू. झूठे. Shy है तू. ये
हाँ.
shy है.
मतलब यार मैं ना ऐसे थोड़ा सा शाय हो जाता हूँ. तो मेरा बर्थडे था और इन सब ने ना मतलब मेरी बैंड बजा दी. इन्होंने सब ने मेरे सामने मेरे को हैप्पी बर्थडे विश किया. सबने गाने गाया. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्यों जाऊँ. मुझे नहीं होता. I don't like it. I don't like surprises. I get shy.
Show them your watch.
Oh shit, that's my watch.
That's
got
what I
that.
surprised him with. And he got so shy, he couldn't react. Everyone thought he wasn't that excited. I got him 6 cakes and a watch, and I hid them all. And then I got the whole crew to sing.
मतलब यहाँ मैं बैंड बजा रहा हूँ उनकी और फिर उन्हीं के सामने मुझे ऐसे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मतलब मेरे को बनाया। मैं दुनिया को बनाता हूँ, ये मुझे बनाती है।
How did you propose to Anusha?
अनुषा प्रपोज मैं एक्चुअली अनुषा ट्रैवल कर रही थी बहुत ज़्यादा और कभी फिलीपींस में थी क्योंकि वो टेनिस वेनिस का कर रही थी इंटरनेशनली, कभी जापान भागी हुई थी, कभी ये तो मुश्किल सी आधी रात के लिए ये दिल्ली आई थी और तब मैं पागलों की तरह डेली सोप शूट कर रहा था। तो मैंने डेली सोप खत्म करके उस दिन की शूटिंग आई टुक अ फ्लाइट वेंट टू दिल्ली टू सी हर।
Hey, we had an appearance also.
नो
MTV.
हाँ पेरेंट्स तुम्हारे लिए था, हम तो मुफ्त के लोग हैं। तो मैं गया और मैंने पार्टी के बीच में आई आस्क्ड हर आउट।
And it was so, like, we were kind of seeing each other, but we were not official boyfriend and girlfriend yet.
वो तो अभी भी नहीं है।
And,
We are official morons.
Jesus. Have you ever compared each other with other couples? Jesus.
are you crazy?
Jesus.
I think people compare themselves with us.
I don't know. We've not compared ourselves with other couples.
No. Oh, like, do we want to do like a photo shoot like Victoria Beckham and David Beckham? Yeah, that's a comparison.
Sabrine, please propose to her in the most romantic way.
Right now!
Sabrine, मैं ये करूँगा लेकिन तुम्हारे लिए भी। Well, I think I've already done it. And what she did after that, you want to tell Sabrine?
I just was really happy.
And she made
Your life happy.
my life beautiful.
Life is Beautiful is our favorite movie. We look so random right now.
Oh!
Brat right now.
Huh?
Don't be.
I'm a brat. हाँ जी, next.
One message for the show on 5th November. How excited are you for the launch?
We're so excited. I'm very nervous actually. I'm going to be really honest. I'm very, very, very nervous, Kyuki. This is the first time my MTV viewers will see me in a different light. I have screamed at people, so please forgive me already. I'm sorry, but if you see it, you'll understand and you'll be on Team Anusha. And I've cried a lot.
Every day she's इसके तो जो दुनिया के वो टूटे हैं ना वहाँ पर जो भरम इसने बना रखे थे दुनिया को लेके। She was living in bubbles and she wouldn't agree with us because she doesn't trust us. मैं इसको बोलता था, मैं क्रू क्रिएटिव चैनल जितने हम वहाँ बैठे थे सब बोलते थे कि ये बंदा बकवास कर रहा है, ये झूठ बोल रहा है। उसको बचपन में बहुत कुछ इसीलिए वो आज ऐसा चीज कराएंगे, चीज अब्यूजिंग अस कि तुम लोग कैसे हार्टलेस लोग होंगे। अरे हम हार्टलेस नहीं है, हम जानते हैं इनकी जिन्स को समझते हैं इन लोगों की, तो प्लीज समझ। कल्चर शॉक मिले बहुत सारे अनुषा डांडेकर को। We've just come back last night. We've just come back and we've come to realize that there's a lot of buzz around our show क्योंकि हमने realize नहीं किया था कि हमारा phones वगैरह हमारे पास नहीं थे। And we're really excited and I know you guys are excited too. So please 5th November Saturday 7 p.m. watch our show and tell us how you liked it. And yeah, you just can't ignore it because once you see the first episode you'll be hooked.
Thank you so
Do
much.
you want your fans to follow you to the Twitter Blue Room at 7 p.m.?
Yes, we do! Follow us to the Twitter Blue Room at 7 p.m. today.
Today 7
So
p.m.
you can talk to us more. We love you. Thank you for supporting us. Thank
and
you
there's
for...
a surprise there for you guys.
Is there really?
So 5th November, guys. 5th November.
5th November. 5th
Fifth November.
Wait. Yeah. Ready? You will tune in 5th November, Saturday, 7 p.m. and watch MTV Love School only on MTV. Maybe. Oh. Thanks, honey bunny.
That's for you guys.
Oi! Bye. Peace.